Welcome back to Kiki Theater, and I'm changing my name to Kiki. So today's video is going to be, you guessed it, fidgets. You're probably already gone now. I understand. I do so many fidget videos, and I'm not trying to. They're just, I have nothing else to do, so I'm going to try to find something else. I might post another video today, non-relating to it, but and I'm going to use some hashtags so more people watch. I'm going to say, look up hashtag or something. Really cool. But, so yeah, we're doing fidgets again, and I'm so sorry. So let's get started. Oh, and I also got some new fidgets. So the first fidget, oh, I have no idea what to start with. Let's go with slime. And they have one of these, but this is Addicting Slime from Slime City B. A great slime. Like, best smell, go shop. I think they restock every like month. So this stuff is like, this is a butter slime, I think. It's one of their best sellers, and I do not think you can get it anymore. I've checked on their website, and you cannot. It is only, like, they have seasonal times. So this is when there was no season. It was around Christmas, but, yeah. It's called Donut Shop. It's coffee shop. It's something with donuts and coffee. Because the smell of it is donuts and coffee. But it's like heavenless. It has sprinkles in it. Put my own sprinkles in it too. I'm gonna hashtag Slime City B too. Hashtag fidgets. Slime City B. And share this video if you're watching, because I'm not getting a lot of views, which I understand. I'm not that good of a YouTuber. But yeah. Anyways, this is a really good slime. I got one of like the advanced slimes, I think it was. But yeah. I would not suggest getting this slime though. Suggest getting a different one, because the smell, it smells good, but it does not at the same time. So we're gonna dump all my fidgets right in front of me. We're going. Oh my, I'm sorry for the little scatter rain today. I did not wake up at a good time. I did not get a good enough sleep. There's green stains at the bottom of this bin. And the putty that I threw away. Oh, and I also have putty. But you know, if you've been here long enough, or if you're new here, hi. But anyways, if you've been here long enough, you know that I threw it away last YouTube video. I think I posted it. I don't remember. I posted over 100 videos. I'm pretty sure. I used to do daily videos, but no, it's cool. So, anyways, first off, I'm just picking randomly. First off, we have this. It's in bead, squishy. It's quite nice textured. Nice crunchy sounds. Oh, very nice. I might add it to the slime. Okay. Here is my Orbeez Narwhal. That story is on another one of my fidget videos. So yes, it's my favorite, well, one of my favorite squishies. I got a new squishy, but okay. This is my puzzle ball. Okay, and it's actually quite easy to solve. Usually mix it up more, but I'm too lazy, so hashtag lazy. Plus, we're just doing a quick little video, so Yeah, these are not the same color, are they? 1 second, I gotta turn on normal light. No, they are. Weird. Whoa. There we go. So yes, pretty fun fidget. Oh wow, this pizza looks so different. Here's my pizza dimple. Yum. Yeah. They're already probably gone. What should I continue? Anyways, here's the snake thing. It's actually quite fun, and you can really do anything with it. Me and my cousins used to play this, like we used to watch a lot of murder films together while we were at my grandparents' house. Because we're really close cousins. Like, not age, but I'm taller than all my cousins, except my older one. But anyways, we used to use these as guns and knives and stuff like that. We used to stab each other, and then we would hide the evidence, change really quick. And I actually have a bunch of videos on it, but I'm not allowed to show them because, well, for one, it's about killing and doesn't go well with YouTube. And also, my cousins they're allowed to have YouTube, but they can't post. So, yes, these are really fun. I used to have two, but, stuff happens. Okay, we have my guacamole. Okay. My avocado. Very squishy. I don't think this is worth $5. But it's probably $500 worth of fidgets. Just kidding. You think it's that much? More like 200, maybe 100, because a lot of it. Yeah. Okay, this one is Orbeez. It's balloon. These are a bunch of DIY fidgets. Pretty cool. Here's one of my globbles. It's my yellow one. They start losing air after a while. It's fun to play with, but I wasted a bunch of my money on fidgets, and I don't know why. It's all for you guys, so if you're still here, hit that like button and maybe the subscribe button. I'm not forcing you like you guys would, but... And I might cut open this balloon and throw away whatever's in it, so watch. What is that? Yeah, we're gonna cut it open. This is gross, whatever's in here. So wait till the end to cut that open. Here's my poppet bracelet. Pretty cool. Pretty fun. Here's my DNA ball, my light up one. I used to have another one, but my friend broke it. So, and they never really repaid me. Because they're liars. Yeah. So, I like this one, but the other one had less, and it was easier to grab, so I don't know about that one. Here's my egg. My squishy egg. I have an eyeball, but that broke. Here's the flippy bike chain, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Those are good for quiet plays, but I don't really like them personally. We have a monkey noodle. There's an orange pop tube. This is this is my yellow one. Yeah, it's my yellow. Oh my gosh, I keep doing it. Yellow pop tube. Noise, every red one. Here's one of my orange pop tubes. Here is another one of those balloons. It's the bunch of these. Here's my bead ball. Yeah, pretty cool. Here's my, what do you call these? Fuzzy things. Really weird. They're pretty cool. I have a purple one too, but I might give this one to my sister because she doesn't have one, and I love her. Because, you know, sibling love. Which one should I give? Okay, well, this one's bigger, so I might give her the purple one. Even the purple one's the one's my mom bought me. I might just, if she asks for it again, I'll give her one then, because I'm nice like that. But I have two of those. Here's my rainbow poppet. Once you freeze these are actually like great popping sounds. Pretty good compared to something like this. And then you hear this. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna pop some of these and we're gonna do a comparison. Ready? Here is non-frozen. Here's with frozen. Pretty good. Here's my Pop It iPad case, and I'm gonna keep it because it's a waste of money if I don't. And it was a good Pop It. It was just, you know, felt a little kiddish to me. So I got myself a new one, and plus the camera thing didn't really work. So, and then this also has a loud popping sound. Here's my unicorn poppet. This one's also been frozen, so it might be a little louder. I think. Yeah. Here's my pink pop tube. This is my dad's work poppet. Here's my little pea popper. These things are so greasy though. Quite gross. This one's broken anyway, so. Here's my kinetic sand one. Love this one. Here's yellow monkey noodle. Here's my fidget spinner Rubik's Cube thing. Here's my dimple. Cotton candy, I call it. Here's my OG dimple. It's a ripoff, I know. Trust me. Don't go off in the comment thing. Yeah, like anybody who actually comments on my video. But anyways, I'm just imagining if someone would, they would be like, yeah, that's not even a real pumpkin. I mean, dimple. I'm tired today. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, here it is. And here's, these help me with basketball for, not again. But for like getting the ball, oh, no, and stuff like that, like gripping onto it, because it's, they're also fun bouncy balls, like just go, here's my green kinetic sand that smells like my dad's cologne. Smells really weird. Here's my blue globble. Here's one of the fidget rings. You know, you just go like this. Green monkey noodle. Pink monkey noodle. One of these wacky tracks. A little green mochi. This gurky turkey. You just go like this and orange monkey noodle. Blue monkey noodle, textured blue monkey noodle, one of these slapping hands, you know, blue pop tube. An ice pack, because it acts like a water wiggle. Orange monkey noodle. Twizzler. I call this, like, it's kind of a dimple. I don't know why I even have it, but I put random stuff in here and call it Fidgets. Here's hard shell poppet. It's not as hard shell as I thought it would be. Here's one of the first poppets I've ever gotten. Here's my orange pop tube. Here's my green pop tube. Unicorn squishy. This little ninja guy that's kind of squishy. My unbroken peas in a pod. Funny. This balloon filled with water. Might cut this open too. Nothing really in them, so might as well. This one has eyeballs and beads in them, so we're shooting that. And it has pure beads. I think they're metal beads. Here we got a snapper made out of Wacky Track. Actually, I have two. So, when you don't get it, you just snap it in. This one's much better. We got another one of those gripping ones, but it's yellow and it's harder. You guys are all probably gone right now, but if you're staying, hi. Here is my fidget rings. What does this mean? Pretty cool. Another one of fidget rings. Those are fidget spinner rings. Here's another one, gold one, and then another gold one. Okay, this one is filled with kinetic sand, but I forgot to add a lot of water in it, so it's like, it's weird. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna cut it into this, because the more kinetic sand, the merrier. Purple monkey noodle. I like these bigger ones better. Purple textured one, pink textured, yellow, calico cat mochi, spinner thing, another spinner bike chain, spinny thing, ice cream pop, pencil topper. This one I'm also going to cut open. It's like a mix of slime and beads. It's weird. Another globble. My strawberry Orbeez ball. More mochis. My yellow cat. Orange chicken. Orange chicken. Yum. Pink little duck. That's real cute. Fidget spinner. Black infinity cube, cotton candy infinity cube, and the last one, this shaggy needle, and this is new, so it's green, you can't really tell. And now for my squishmallows. Okay, I have the original Annalise. This looks huge, right? No. We got, what is the name for her again? Aurora, because she reminds me of the Aurora Borealis. Pretty cool. It's even bigger. Now, do you guys think I got another one? Yes, I did. But it's cute. This was only $10 at Target, and I named it Floof. And it's like, I go with color scheming for my fidgets. But this one is like this blue and white, and its tail's blue and white, and it has some purple into it. It's adorable, and it matches. Like, girl, you have small, medium, and large from McDonald's. How you can tell I'm tired. So yes, I just got her today, and she's adorable. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to do a video. But she is my lover now. Just kidding, no. But she's like so cute and so fluffy. She doesn't have the fluffy material for this. It's more like this stuff on her stomach. It's not the fluffiness of this. So we're gonna go cut some stuff open. Let me just put these back on my bed real quick. Watch some YouTube. Okay, perfect. She goes in the middle. My bed setup is adorable right now. And after this video, I might put up some neon lights. So, yes, and you guys will have to come back for, like, my lights in my room. They spell my name, and they're pink. If you didn't know, my favorite color is, in fact, pink. But I like red, too. It's pink and red. They're, like, tied for first. Then I like blue. So let's go get cutting, shall we? I have scissors in the bathroom. Probably not even here, but I told you to stick around. And I got scissors in the way. I'll show you guys my bed found out. It's quite cute. Welcome to the stranger's house. There's not a lot of place to put stuff, so you might have to get a little glimpse of stuff over here. Okay, so first let's cut the one we know nothing's gonna come out of but water, because it is water. Okay, I'm gonna face it towards very inventive Kenzie. I think I'll be able to go like this. Oh my gosh, no. Don't mind no bathroom stuff. Oh gosh, no. What is that? There's something caught on my foot and I do not know what it is. It's like weird. Okay. Okay, we might just have to go like this, and there we go. Oh, it's a mix of water and activator, I think. Yep. Oh. Ew. Okay, well, get this thing starting to run. Trash can, right over here. Trash room, amazing. Trash room, oh my gosh. Sleepy. This one is nasty. Let's see what it is. I have to play with it too. So whatever it is. What is that, girl? I'm gonna cut around the balloon. It's even possible, like, I'm just trying to cut it here and it's... No wonder why I hated this balloon. Oh. Oh my gosh. Bro, the Orbeez shrink. When they're not in the water, they're so small. Look at these little babies. I'm keeping these. I think these are cute. We need to grow them. They must... No, I lost a child. We only have 2 children now. Oh no! No! Jimmy! Little Jimmy, come back. No! We only have Bob left. Okay, I feel like there's going to be one more surprise in here. I don't know why. I made these a while back. Oh my gosh. Bro. Girl, like, look at this stuff. Oh my god. Like, okay, goodbye. We saved one child. Good enough. Okay, now we're gonna go to this. I feel like it's gonna be like more Orbeez, and I want to save another child. What in the world is this? Oh, this is one where I made my own slime in the little thing. Oh my gosh, girl. Oh, it smells terrible, but like, oh my gosh. Oh my stars. Oh, these are yucky. Yucky ducky. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I decided to make some slime out of it, but it didn't turn out too bad. Like, but can I see? Okay, I don't mind this. Weird texture, yes. But it's like nice material. Ew, the button. No, bye. The buttons. Okay, and the last one, we're gonna be cutting some nice, some stuff. I know, wow, creative words, Kenzie. Stuff. It's very creative. I wish I would get more followers, subscribers. I wish one day I could be famous on YouTube. Maybe after this video I'll have some subscribers. Okay, well, we're just gonna take it out of the pocket. Oh my. This comes straight out of the balloon. Okay, and we gotta add a little water. And I know you're probably like, you're ruining it. No, I'm not. And you put activator with these things. Does not go that well. So you need to put some water to moisten it. To weten it. Oh no, it's falling. Oh no, it's gonna be mad at me. Okay, so there is two different colors in here. This is green. We're just gonna place it on top and I will mix it later. Oh no. Now I'm gonna go save little Jimmy. Yeah. I hope you guys had a great day and that you maybe will subscribe to my channel. Maybe share it with your friends. Only if you want. Bye guys.